Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today I would like to talk about a Gala Games, Gala USDT trading pair with my customer Grosser. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, it looks like we formed that double bottom and we should skyrocket exactly around to this target like 16 cents, but we got a problem. What problem now we got with the Gala Games? It's a liquidity pool. So first of all, guys, take a look. We leave liquidity pool here, December 2022. It's a weekly time frame. We bounce it, and this is a structure. We drop it down, sweep that liquidity pool. All right, this one done. Let's use this one. We got this one, liquidity pool. And it's kind of problem because most likely we go and sweep it. Because, when we leave some pool under or higher, we will come back and sweep it. So believe it or not, but especially if it's a high time frame, like weekly or monthly. So it's just a matter of time, basically, when we will drop under like 1 cent and 24. So this one. Why also we can drop lower now? Because technically this is like a liquidity pool. This is actual lows, and we got it this week still ongoing, and we can grab liquidity and only after that bounce to this pool 6.1065, this pool 8.87. So it can be the and I wish to see the faster V-shape recover move like this one and go higher. So it's going to be the great entry around, I don't know, hard to say where we can stop. It can be the great 690%. But I highly recommend you guys go and watch all my previous videos about Gala Games, and you will understand the logic why I'm not waiting some crazy gains from Gala Games this run, because this is a chart on a Gala since August 21. But before Gala, this stock at least traded on the DEXs. So that's why I'm not sure about all-time high for Gala Games. And take a look. In last videos I explained to you, if we use the initiation accumulation pump model, guys, why and how we can drop lower. Because take a look here, let's go to daily time frame. Imagine this is a initiation accumulation pump model since August 21, still in play. Take a look. After 2 years, basically, we come back, test 0.38 level by FIB, and now we test 0.23 and 0.5 and 0.61 level by FIBs. This one, guys, this is basically the zone of interest for Gala Games. And keep in mind, if we will see this drop, it's not unnecessary, so we will see it now. We can see it at this zone, for example, in the next bear market. And this will be the first okay zone accumulated at Gala Games. But I wish to see drop now, this week, next week, for example, because the faster we drop, the faster we recover back. And it can be, yes, the global, now we form like global double bottom on a weekly and a daily. But from that entry, it can be like 700% gains on the spot. But be ready to see that dump, because we traded before on the DEXs, and people still in the crazy profit. For Gala Games. So if we will see flash crash once again from these current prices, it can be like 43% down. Based on what and why we should drop so low now, I don't know. It's hard to say. So or we recover back from these current prices and with the targets 6 cents 67 and 8 cents 89. Or we will drop and crash 40% down to 0.5 level by FIB, first zone of interest. If we use another FIB, you remember this global one, we are inside 27 block. This is a global 27 block, where we use it for long run, for accumulation, for investment. My take is 49 cents. You remember this one. Let's hide this FIB and check what's going on now locally with the daily time frame. With a FIB, with a Gala, not with a FIB. So this is the order flow, guys. You remember, every single time when we form this type of order flow, at least we can bounce to test 50% of this order flow. So it's around here, around 4 cents. So after 100%, guys, just withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens. So I wish to see the faster drop and faster recovery move. Of course, this will be the best case scenario, because if we will see something like this one, April, May, summer chop is going to be just a wasted time. So I wish to see this drop now. Take a look with indicators now locally, just local one. Global targets, you know, guys. This is this one. Accumulation, January 28. The price is 210.70. We formed that warranty, this one. And I wish to see the third one drop. And you remember, many times we form the three drops like this one and go higher. So to test around 1/10, round number, maybe with some penny, it would be the best case scenario for Gala Games. Form something like this one and go higher. Now we just bounce, tiny bounce, right? But we're already in the hope zone. So people react too emotionally on any price movement. This was a time to sell. Now, step by step, there was accumulate, but it's not main movements what we need to see. Take a look. I showed you just now daily time frame, but of course we have to work with a weekly, especially for investment. Money inflow. We at the top. We just bounce few tens. No, good. Sorry. Yes, 33. On a chart looks like not a big deal. 33% is a good one. So we're almost at the top, around the money outflow. So soon we can see the money outflow. So I wish to see, once again, I repeat, something like this move and going higher, and this move on the money power indicator. 12 time frame, I guess, yes, there's a money outflow. So this is not a money inflow, guys, now. Well, step by step, fix 30% profit. Maybe they knew something. Trade on, guys, take a look. Yes, step by step, it was buy and sell, close position, buy, pump, recommendation, close position, recommendation, close position, buy, recommendation, close position, still recommendation, close position. So, guys, you could fix that trade. I wish to see the take profit indicator, not take profit indicator. I wish to see the take profit signal. Take profit. Take profit. I wish to see the notification. Take profit from this sell, like it was here on the daily. Sell, take profit, drop, buy, pump. Last time it was like in average, buy, 3 buys like 235%. So I wish to see that drop. Yes, of course, we're gonna waste the time again, but guys, better now than half year again in the sideways. Weekly time frame, we already retested the fundamental volume of the token. Daily time frame, we try and breaking out and hold the line at the buy line. 12 time frame, this is what I would like to see, guys. Here, I wish to see the buy line test. Buy line, dynamic here. Now it's 1 cent 31, and the fundamental 50% of the range, it's like 1 cent 12. Fundamental value, it's 0.2098. 20.98 if we use the FIB here. So 12 time frame, yes, around here. 38 level FIB around buy line, and the 50% of the range between the buy line and the fundamental values can be the zone of interest. Maybe even the drop to 0.2098. Bullish targets, of course, guys, still relevant. So take profit. It's 26, 0.026. Daily time frame here, it's 0.034. This one. So, but I repeat, I'd rather see this move than this move. So guys, all targets I showed you. Write please in a comment what you think about current session with the charts on Gala. If you'd like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write in the DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.